Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to connect Messenger Lite to Facebook Lite. Firstly, go to the Play Store or App Store and install Facebook Lite and Messenger Lite. Open the Facebook Lite app and enter your email address or phone number and password, and once logged in, your account will be synced with Messenger Lite. All you have to do is launch Messenger Lite and it will automatically select the Facebook account you used in Facebook Lite. Tap Continue as your name to connect. Now your Facebook Lite friends list will now appear in Messenger Lite. You can send texts, photos, voice messages, and stickers. Just note that Messenger Lite doesn't support all features of full Messenger like stories, payments, or advanced effects, but it's lighter, faster, and uses less data. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.